Welcome friends to Imagination Islands, where we create, inspire and repeat your ultimate DIY arts and crafts destination. Today, I will show you how to create a beautiful and elegant wall decor using waste materials. Actually, I saw this wall decor on Amazon, but the price was very high. At that moment, I decided that I would create this decor at a very low cost by any means. To create this, I used cardboard, white chart paper, a waste plastic ring, acrylic colors, waste fabrics, some decorative items, etc. First, I drew Lord Krishna on a piece of cardboard. Then, I covered the cutout Krishna piece with a white fabric using glue. I did the peacock feather in the same process. I had white fabric, so I used it, but you can use any waste cotton fabric. Right after that, I stuck the feather behind Lord Krishna. Now, using a small amount of Fevicryl molded clay, I shaped Lord Krishna's nose, ears, and lips. Now, I have colored the entire art piece using acrylic colors. I cut some newspaper into strips, rolled them into small wheels, and shaped them. Then, I glued these small wheels onto Lord Krishna's forehead for decoration. Next, I drew leaves on white chart paper and cut them out. Then, I colored those leaves. Now, following the same process as before like feather, I made two hands for Lord Krishna. I rolled thick paper into a cylinder to make Lord Krishna's flute, and I also made a small piece for the end of the flute. Now, I have to stick those leaves onto the backside of the plastic ring using Fevikwik. Then, as shown in the video, I carefully glued and attached all the pieces together. Finally, I am decorating the neck piece a bit. liked it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And feel free to leave your valuable comments as well. Now, my entire Lord Krishna's final look is ready to hang on the wall as an elegant wall decor.